Okay, so YouTube, this is my second time going on. Put the boombox away. This is my second time going to the new caves map. Well, because my footage corrupted last time, so I couldn't upload the video.
Yeah.
But from last video,
Party, party, party.
turn off the boombox. Put it in your bag.
Sorry, Matt.
You're rude. Don't call me that. We're in a video. Not right now. Later. Alright, so I'm here with the two goofiest goobers.
Keep that in your video.
I'm keeping that in the video. Yes.
Daddy. Turn on the boombox. Turn on the boombox.
Put it, okay, but since they're absolute boss at this game, so I'm gonna be bringing them to the scariest place in this entire game currently. Put it away.
Alright,
Gremlins, grab your items.
I'm jumping around.
I don't care. Gremlins, grab your items and get ready for the adventure.
Do I need a pickaxe or how to keep the light?
Bro, put the light away. Put it away. Put it away.
Yo.
Put it. As you can tell, these guys are not smart. Hold on, Jack, before we do this, yeah, I know you're smarter than me in math and all that. You're older, but not in the game. Be right back. I gotta take a drink of water real quick. Stop cursing.
Get water like a good boy. Get water.
Bro,
like
I'm
a good
gonna
bitch.
actually hydrate and not drink Coca-Cola like you big bags.
Get or drink or something. Good bitch. Good bitch. I'm gonna take this right now. Give it back. Give that back. Give my pickaxe back. Please say no scope.
Can you all be nice to each other, please?
Okay, faggot.
Okay, come on, boys. Okay, be nice.
Don't leak our code.
I can't say that. I mean, you can't say that because that'll get me canceled. Who threw my flashlight over here?
Gay faggot. Gay
CJ,
faggot.
I will cut you out of the video completely. Stop.
Oh my god. I just threw my flashlight there if anyone wants it. Is it like a full form video or are you gonna put it into a cuts?
Bro, I'm putting it into an actual video.
You better,
I'm only recording long form videos now.
Huh?
I'm only making long form.
This shit again, bruh.
Yeah, you gotta go this way. Follow me. Where the hell are you guys? Come on.
Okay. Confusing as hell.
I at least know a little bit of where I'm going. This is the way.
Alright, this looks so spooky, scary.
So I don't think you're supposed to jump down all the way.
Jump down.
Never mind this.
Big bag.
I think I'm supposed to go this way. Hold on, let me check something. Quick.
Boy.
Alright, hold on. Just go here. Go. This way. Maybe. I don't know.
Goofy gooba.
God, bro, I have hiccups right now, bro.
Let's take the same spot. This scally.
God, bro, I have hiccups, dude, and it's pissing me off. I'm trying to film.
I'm taking a massive shit in my pants right now.
Dude, stop cursing.
God.
Okay, we have to go lower.
And my undies.
CJ, I'm gonna cut you out of the video. We're doing family friendly now. I mean, well, a little bit of family friendly, not too much, because I can't.
Mom, can you coming?
You guys coming? Down here.
Quiet.
Come on.
Straight down?
CJ, not all the way down. God.
Alright, bud.
Guys, I found a mimic and I'm currently scared.
Scaredy cat.
Onward, my boys. Come here, Coda.
Don't hit the mimic.
Hit his boy. He needs to die. Yeah, get him. He's dead. You
Bad
suck.
boy. Alright, guys, I'm on perks again.
I mean, Coda, you don't suck. Okay, dude. No drugs. Family friendly. Put the bomb down. Oh my lord, what the hell? Why'd you do that?
What took damage? I don't know who took. This spider here.
No, we're good. We gotta go the other way.
I don't know. Oh, above me. I don't know.
Can y'all come on? God, dude.
You need some water to fix that hiccups, mister.
Yeah, I've been only drinking water, dude. Alright, so I think we're just... Let's go back up a level.
Let's go straight down.
No, hold on. I remember. I don't remember anything actually.
I don't even know. hell are doing?
Actually, no, I think we're supposed to go all the way down. I don't remember. I don't know what I'm doing.
Probably. It's a danger.
Yeah.
Sound like nicer.
Stop.
Nitrogen.
This way, guys.
Oh, sweater. Oh, shoot.
You guys find it? God damn it. CJ, right above you, stupid. Alright, leave him alone. You suck. Okay, this one, I don't think we're supposed to jump all the way down, so. I'm kind of pissed at my lag. This is my second time, so it's not going to be like my raw.
I'm going to sing the whole alphabet in Spanish. A, B, C, D, E, A, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, Q, W.
As you can see, YouTube, this guy is actually a crack addict.
Yes, I am. I'm about 20 perks.
My question is, where is Noah?
Noah takes a black ass over here. In game.
Okay, dude. That's racism. That's gonna get me in trouble with YouTube.
Nope.
CJ, stop, or else I'm gonna have to cut you out of the video.
Wait,
You wanna get cut out?
I'm just joking. It's the
Bro, where was
Wait, is that your ore?
Where?
It looks different.
That's copper, dummy.
What's the other copper look?
You sure this is the way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, no. Come on, CJ. This way. Yeah, I think we're close. Ooh, holy crap, that's a lot of gold. Gotta mine that stuff. Alright, boys, I think it's this way. I mean, to be honest, I don't know. We're just adventuring, basically. But when we get to the place, I know what to do when we get there.
Jump straight into the lava?
No. Stupid, no.
He's big and black. He will take
Your candy, that fella's name is Big Peep. Guys, I found the way. This way, where's Noah?
Wendy! I don't know.
Yay, bunkers!
Yeah, I think it's the way, because I remember going here. It is, boys, we made it! We did it! Bunker!
Gold!
Spider!
No, it's a cage for monkeys.
Okay, dude, stop. Hey, yeah.
My funny perks.
How do you break this thing?
Pickaxe it.
Oh my lord! Oh,
Like
guys,
that. Oh god,
where's
your
my
pickaxe?
where's my pickaxe?
Gold over here.
Where's my pickaxe? God, I don't care that there's gold. Dude, bad CJ. Now I have red watch. CJ, shut up. No one cares. Come on, guys. Stop worrying about gold. We're going to the new bunker map.
Okay, come on, let's go. It's cool.
I think it's this way. No, this way.
This way.
Titties. Oh my god, I found another spider, guys. Help
Attack
me.
him! Attack him!
Attack on Titan. That's copyright. Oopsies. Don't use it. We're fine. We made it, boys. Where the hell are we? Dude, what? Are we back where we spawned? Where we started? We're back where we started.
Yeah. I do not know.
Bro, I don't know what I'm doing.
Only if Panic joined.
Yeah, but he's doing Valentine's crap for some reason. Dude, what the hell? We were literally, did we just go in a circle?
Yeah, I think we did.
Brother, where's CJ?
I'm over here, guys. Let's go.
Found it. We went,
Hi,
I
Mom.
don't know where we went. CJ, do you have to get off again?
I have to take a shower.
Brother. You're gonna tell your parents that they're gonna have to wait.
Bunker?
Yes, go in the bunker. Come on, go all the way down. Gosh, bro, this is like the easiest part, but also the most boring. Where are these gremlins? Gremlin 1? Where's Gremlin 2? Gremlin 2.
Alright, so is there any like creatures here?
No, this is a safe zone, but it's just boring.
Wolves.
Jump all the way down. On Halloween, there'll be a fella, he will take his pin. He's big and nice, he will take your candy. That fella's name is Big Pin Randy. Where are these gremlins? Gremlin 1, Gremlin 2. Alright, gremlins, let's go. Alright, Gremlins, let's go. Why are you not talking, you gremlins? Hold on, wait. Gremlin 2, wait. Gremlin 1 has to do something. Okay, Gremlin 1's back. Alright, come on, you gremlins. We're almost there, I think. Gremlins, we've almost made it. We're almost there. Come on, wait, come on, let's go. Here.
Oh my gosh.
Where's Gremlin? There's Gremlin. Come on, let's go. Whee! Where's other Gremlin? Alright, he's coming.
Alright, Gremlin.
Alright, faggot and gremlin too. Come on, let's go.
I'm not a faggot though.
Straight down.
Whee!
Star Wars off, thank.
We've made it, guys. And here he jumped all the way down. Guys, we're here. Be careful. Just if you guys see those popcorn, do you guys see those popcorn thingies? You see those little robot flying things? Do not go near them by all means. They will eat you.
Alright, go.
I mean, they won't eat you. They'll try to explode you. Yeah, they're hella more dangerous. They're probably the most dangerous mobs in this entire game. Everyone follow me if you can.
Guys, I gotta go take my shower.
Not yet, CJ. Actually, no, yes, yet, CJ. Goodbye. It'll be just me and Noah.
CJ has to go?
Yep. It's fine. We don't need him anyways. God, bro, I'm lagging. Alright, he just joined back in the call and won't shut up. We are. Dude, bugging.
Should we stay in call or no?
No, because then the viewers can't hear us, bro. I'm recording. Stupid. So I told you guys to go to app chat. Alright, Noah, so you're gonna follow me, okay? Stay up on the ceiling. Noah, the ceiling. Oogly boogly. Blind bat. This way. God, dude, this guy is actually blind. He's blind as a flipping rat. And he is a rat, dude. Oh my god, they found us. Noah, run! Get up high! Noah, run! Oh my god, dude, this guy's dead. He's actually stupid. Noah, would you die? He's dead, isn't he? God damn it, he's dead. Why is everyone always dead in this map, dude? No one knows what to do. So we're gonna go a different one. Then get back up here. I can't help you. Get up. Also, just use the damn washer talk. Stop going to the call. How the hell is he still alive? YouTube, he made it out. I don't know where he is. And also those popcorn tinnies, lava fishies are guarding that, so. Guarding where I was gonna go get my ores. Flipping tingies. Hate those little gremlin things, bro. Just gotta make sure they don't see me though. If they see me, I'm cooked. Yeah, I'm too close to them. Too close. Too close for comfort. Oh crap, dude. I'm cooked right here. I'm scared as hell right now. Dude, come on. Seriously, dude? Dude, this is like way too uncomfortable for me to go.
I'm here.
Oh my god, don't scare me like that. Please.
Do I mind that?
Yes, mind them. Mine them and pick them up. Noah, stop hitting them so hard. They're flying away.
Do I take this?
Yes, you take them. What do you think?
Can you take them?
I'm working on it. Bro, I'm already super heavy. Oh my god, where's my bag? Don't hide me right now, Noah. I'm in a I'm not doing so good right now. My health is low. I'm scared as poop right now, bro. I'm not doing good. Don't hide me. Gotta go get those bunch up here, bro. Oh my god, I just dropped my grappler. My grappler! Noah, get my grappler. Noah, get my grappler. It's on the wall. Where you are? Why the hell are you coming down here? Stupid, it's up there. Noah, press trigger.
Take this one.
Oh my god, I can't.
Here. Take this. Actually, I can't.
Dude,
just
give me your pickaxe. You don't need the damn pickaxe. Yes, drop the pickaxe. Drop it.
Take it. That's it.
I got it.
I got you now.
Yes, thank you. Help me. Oh my lord, dude, this is stressful because there's so much lava. There's one thing that I don't like is lava. He got it.
Here, I got you.
Thank you. Don't drop it. God damn it. No. Grab your pickaxe. You got it.
Oh shoot.
What? You're good.
It's in the lava.
It's fine. It won't despawn. Just go pick it up. Go pick it up. God, dude, this guy doesn't know that lava doesn't do that much damage. I'm fine. I got hit by a lot of lava. stuff is also saved. And I dropped my pickaxe again. God damn it, dude! I dropped my pickaxe again. Lava, go down. I know. No, I'm not blind. Where, dude? Did I just lose my pickaxe?
No.
God damn it, it's gone. I lost my pickaxe. It's alright. I don't even care. Those things are the cheapest hell anyways.
How much are they?
They're like $600.
Yeah, that's cheap.
God damn it. God, dude, I'm way too heavy for this crap right now, bro. Oh, yeah. Dude, they need to add like complete like lava collision, so like items will follow the lava. All right, Noah, we're gonna get out of here the legitimate way. You see that heart thing over there? You see that thing? We gotta get to that, okay? You got it?
Yes.
All right. Now let's try to get up on the ceiling so it's more safer. Uh-oh. Oopsie, I'm coming back up. Dude, I hate having this small of like a target to try. All right, now let's try to get over there. Run!
Oh.
Oh my god, the son of guns actually making it out. All right. Oh my god, this guy's gonna die. Noah, I'm right above you. No, I'm right here. Noah, right here. Hi. We gotta go. Noah, grapple onto that beam up here. Come over here. Come over here.
Okay.
We'll grapple up onto that beam. I was just up there, bro. How'd I not be able to get it? There we go. Come on.
Okay, we got it.
Hold on. I'm heavy as hell right now. Alright, we got it. We still gotta get up over there. Come on. Whoa. Whoa. Hoorah. Oh my god, I actually did it. YouTube, I did it. Noah, make it out of there alive. I made it out. Go.
Okay.
Noah, we did it. Let's go. We did it, bro. We actually did it. Oh my lord.
Let's go.
That was
I got
very
3
successful.
research coins just from going there.
Oh, W.
We making a ton of money.
Noah, did you get any? Did you collect any of those? Like put them in your bag or
I
anything?
didn't. I actually got anything.
Alright. Well, we still made a little bit.
Sell it.
Alright, hold on. How much did we get though?
Are these more expensive than the blue ones?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Are
We got
they?
7, I think. All right, no,
Are they more than the blue ones?
just like buy like $100. They're more expensive. Oh my god, bro.
Out.
One of them got out. No, we're good.
Let's see what we get.
All right, how much money? Oh my lord.
You wanna go back there?
I mean, we might have to wait for everyone else though. But we gotta do the end of the video. Come on.
Charge our VR and stuff.
I mean, yeah. But we gotta do the outro.
Yeah.
No, not yet. We gotta do the outro. Get over here. Are you dude? So that concludes
Are you
our
uploading
runs
this
in
today?
Yeah, I upload all my videos in the same day. So YouTube. So this was our first time. I mean, my second time going to that new map. It's his first time. My other friend's first time. So
TJ left because he
that
was
concludes the video.
scared cat.
Gremlin 1 had to go. He had to go take a shower. He'll be back later into the next video.
Gremlin
Maybe,
2!
hopefully. So don't subscribe to this goofy goober. He doesn't
Gremlin 2 in
need
the
subscribers. He has 300. He doesn't need them. I need them. Please give me subscribers. Begging you. Alright. Goodbye, YouTube.
Bye bye.